Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyak. Whether you are watching from home, the diaspora, or anywhere across Africa and the world, I bring you warm greeting. My name is Nyak, and today I want to speak to you from my heart, openly and truthfully, about something that deeply concerns all of us. Will South Sudan truly hold election in 2026? Now let us stop and ask ourselves, how can we talk about election when our first Vice President, Dr. Riek Machar, is still under house arrest? Think about it. How do you hold a democratic process when one of the main signatories to the peace agreement, a national leader, is restricted, silenced, and watched? Not only Dr. Machar, but several of his top officials are also under similar restrictions. That, my people, is not the environment for free and fair election. If we allow that situation to continue into 2026, then what kind of elections are we talking about? One without fairness? One without opposition voices? That is not an election, it is a selection. Let's go back to the 2018 peace agreement. That document was a promise of peace, of reform, of unity, and of national healing. We were told that agreement would bring a new beginning, a permanent constitution, a unified army, freedom for all political actors, election at the end of the transitional period. But today, in 2025, just 1 year before the promised election, many of those goals remain unfulfilled. The permanent constitution is not complete. The army is still divided. Disarmament and reintegration of army groups haven't been achieved. And the political space is still closed. So, if we don't fix these things now, what happens in 2026? We will either see another postponement or a fake election that benefits only one side. Let me tell you why this matters. This is not just about Riek Machar. This is about justice. This is about balance. This is about every South Sudanese person having a voice, a choice, and a future. Elections should bring unity, not more division. They should bring trust, not fear. If we go into 2026 without fixing these issues, we are not just failing Dr. Riek Machar. We are failing our nation, our youth, our future children. We need to stop pretending things are okay when they are not. So what should we do? First, we must raise our voices peacefully but firmly. We must demand the release and full freedom of Dr. Riek Machar and all political leaders, an end to intimidation of opposition members, a political environment where every party can compete fairly. The complete implementation of the peace agreement, no shortcuts. And to IGAD, the African Union, and the United Nations and all partners of South Sudan, we thank you for your support, but now is the time to act. Your silence only strengthens those who block peace. We ask you to step up your pressure and ensure that what was agreed up on in 2018 is fully respected. The people of South Sudan won election, real one, not a performance, not a show. We are watching, we are awake, and we will speak. To my viewers, if you believe in truth, in justice, in a future where all South Sudanese are free and equal, then please share this message. Let it reach the ear of our leaders. Let it echo across the region and the world. We are not calling for violence. We are calling for fairness. And if elections are truly to happen in 2026, then let them be honest, inclusive, and free. God bless you all. God bless South Sudan.